What are you doing? What are you doing? I could get you. I could get you. Look at that face. Look at that face. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. High five. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Mister. Mister. I'm here. Hello. 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 Look at that beautiful face looking at the camera. Your beautiful face looking at the camera. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You looking for me hands? Look. Hello. Oh, you're ragging it off me. You love the dressing gown, don't you? You're gonna make yourself dizzy, aren't you? Look at that beautiful stuffy face. That's what we like to see. Beautiful smile. He's got a beautiful smile. Honey has. Honey has. Honey. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Look at that face. Oh, are you chilling? Are you chilling now? You still want to attack me? You still want to attack me? Oh. You can smell the food. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. You nibbling? You nibbling? Are you nibbling? Ow, don't bite too hard. Ow! Oh. She gorgeous? Is she gorgeous? You hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want your ums? Do you want some food? Come on then. Come on then. Do you want your ums? You want to play? Do you want to play? Do you want to carry on playing? Okay then, we'll carry on playing. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're going to make yourself dizzy? Who's a gorgeous girl? Who's a gorgeous girl? Honey? Where's the doggy on the telly? Is the doggy on the telly? Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? There's not in there, is there? Where's the doggy? Can you see a doggy? No, you're not being blagged. You know there's not a doggy on the telly. You know there's not a doggy on the telly, so you're not chasing, are you? No, you're not. You're telling me off. No, you're not. You're telling me off. Oh, well, don't bite you up, Papa. Oh, ow! Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that beautiful chin. Look at that beautiful chin. Oh. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, be careful. Oh. You'd play forever, wouldn't you? Hey, you'd play forever and ever and ever.